Hi guys, I'm Chien and welcome back to the Learning MongoDB course. And today in this video, I would like to show you how to install the Robomongo on the Windows PC to work with the MongoDB. Okay, so because the Robomongo there is a graphic user interface tool, so it will be easier for you when working with the MongoDB. Okay, so let's get started. I will open the browser and access into the robomongo.org here, and currently the version is Robo 3T, and I go ahead to click on the download the Robo 3T button. It will direct you to the download site, and here the latest version is 1.1. You click download button. You are able to download the older version by clicking on the download previous versions here. And until now you have a lot of versions, and I will get the latest version for this video. Download button here. We have two files for downloading in the window, and actually we have three file for three operating system: Windows, Mac, and Linux. And I'm using Windows, so I have to download the file which supports Windows. And we have two types of file here. The first one is the setup file, and the second one is portable version file. So download the first file, so you have to install it on the PC. So after that, it will set up all the file into the C drive. And the second one, download portable version is after you download this into the PC, you no need to install it on your PC. Just extract the file from zip into a folder, and after that you come there, and all of the file will be extracted into the drive. Okay, so in this video I will download the setup file by clicking on the first one and wait. Yes, download finished, so I go ahead to click on this one to install it on my PC. Click it to get the asset. I click on the next button. I agree. The destination folder, you can choose another one, so I will, but in this video I will leave it by default. Install. And basically the installation is very quickly because this tool is very small and running faster on your PC. Click on the finish button to finish the installation. Yes. Okay, so after that, okay, I will remove this one first. Okay, so when you install this one on the PC, it will display the dialog in MongoDB connection. So here you are able to create the connection for the MongoDB. You go ahead to click on the create button here. And you have to enter some information. You can enter another name. I will name it chip connection. The address is localhost. We have to keep the port by default here 470.147. You now try to click on the tab button here to tab, and you will get the error. Yes, because for now an instance of the MongoDB server still not started. That means when you are able to try connecting this tool into the MongoDB server, you did not reach the service, so it will display the error. For now, you have to open the command line to start the MongoDB service first, and after that you are able to use this tool to connect into the server. Okay, so let's open the command prompt. Yeah, and now I go ahead to click on the MongoDB. I have to specify the DB path. The Mongo. Enter. Yes, you can see here we get a message network trace one waiting for connection on port 27017. Okay, so now come back to the Robomongo tool and click on create button. Open this. And now try click on the tab button here. Yes, you can see here the access to database available. Click on close. You can open another tab here, authentication. You can also specify all of the that specify the username, exactly username you want to be in access into the database. You click admin and provide the user here right here and save. Okay, here I will use the default. Tap it again. Click on save button here to save the connection. And now you click on connection. Yes, after that it will display all of the database in the system. Currently we have two databases, admin and local. And under the database we have collection function and user folder here. It in the tree. Okay, under the collection we have two tables, user and version. Double click on this to see. Here we have some. Currently we have two users in admin one and chain. Double click on this. We have ID, user, DB, credential, and role. And you can go ahead to right click on this one to see the contact menu. We have some the view document. Yeah. So it will display all of the recent query for this user. So ID admin dot chiến one, user chiến one, db admin, credential, blah blah here, role user admin, database, and db admin. You can. Okay, so now you want to create a new user here. You just go ahead to click on the edit document and copy this one. And now you go ahead to right click on and display here, or able to right click on the table search document. You here now you change it to Gen 2, Gen 2. Validate. Yes, if you see the information is result is valid, that means the query is good enough to execute and create new user in the database. Click on save button here. Okay, no creation. Refresh this one. Yes, we have Gen 2 already created in the system.user table. View. The same thing, if you want to delete, just go ahead to right click on the item you want to be deleted. So select the delete document. the same thing, you can edit the information of this user by clicking on the edit document, view document, insert document, copy this one, delete document. Okay, okay, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video today, you know how to install the Robomongo on the Windows PC. And after that, you are able to use the Robomongo tool to work with the MongoDB. It is writing the query in a command line, so it will take many time. You are able to work on a graphic user interface in Robomongo, so it will help you to work with the MongoDB very faster. And I hope that helped. And feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and see you in another video.